Hey Brandon, I'm gonna remove and replace this Windcrease shingle just to document a repair. You see this one has a Windcrease. You can see the current condition of the other shingles. These right here are labeled because these are all tied into this shingle. I'll have to remove the nails under these to get this shingle out. So I'm gonna be using paint scraper to unseal the shingles, a snake tool to nail them in so I don't lift the shingle higher than 45 degrees. There's the mat transfer, so we're good with that. I'm gonna use this tool to remove the nails. I'm not gonna lift higher than 45 degrees. So I removed the shingle. I'm gonna reuse the same one just for the test. See, nails are just falling off from removing this shingle and getting the nails out. Using the snake tool so I don't lift up higher than 45 degrees to get the nail in. You can see the granules falling off as I'm just hammering the nails in. see all the damage caused from this repair. This roof is not repairable. We ended up damaging an additional 1, 2, 3, 4 shingles trying to repair this one. Needs a brush, the standard paint brush. Wipe off the granules. You can see them coming loose. You can see all the granules just from me hitting it like this. Also coming loose. This roof is not repairable.